second important initiative is related to talent, but before that I want to just request you to dwell upon one point. Many times when we discuss in all our forums, we said that we need a strong government and industry cooperation and a collaboration. Yesterday we had a government panel discussion, 5 states, and today we have the 4 states here, including 2 Chief Ministers and Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh State. 25 high-level officers from the states are with us today actually in this event. What is this? This is a strong example of the government and industry collaboration. Please give a round of applause to all of our states. Those are really spending time with the industry. And it is not a question of competition. It is more of a commitment from their side. It is commitment from their side to the industry. Please come. We want to help you. We want to support you. Flourish the industry. Help the economic development of the country. And that is where now the ball comes back in the court of the industry. They have done their bit. It's for industry now to really come forward, step forward, and begin their harnessing of their business plans, looking at that $400 billion story, and start putting those investments and activities so that we really accelerate the speed at which we need to grow and reduce that import dependence of the electronics. The second point which I wanted to update you today is about the talent. And we always keep talking about the talent despite of having so much of a manpower, 15 million engineers coming out every year, and many people working already into the respective domains. However, as this industry grows, we also forecasted that there would be need of 2.7 crore additional jobs, those would be created. And not only the fundamental knowledge which is important, but also the skills those are required so that the people become industry ready. And for that, there is a strong need of taking some additional activities and initiatives. So today we are going to roll out on behalf of IESA a roadmap and a program which will ignite the industry and academia cooperation and scale up, speed up the activities which we have been doing. Some of you have been already engaged in our activity called the Talent CIG. We have been doing this work now for the last more than 2 years. We have done the experiments, we have done the field trials and the testing, and we are now ready to go for scaling up of that. And today we will sign 3 MOUs to scale up these activities so that as one side we create the industry demand which is increasing, another side we create the industry investment so that the industry can develop, but also we create the manpower and the resource base so that we can speed up all these implementations in a much faster way. We will sign the MOUs today with Vishweshwarya Technological University. We'll sign the MOU today with Electronic Sector Skill Council of India, with KEVITS, and also with RVVLSI.